Hey everyone, ever thought about how important clinical notes are? They help doctors stay on track and ensure patients get the best care. But writing them by hand, that can take up to 30 minutes per patient, and that's a lot when your day is packed. That's why we built MedXcribe, an AI-powered app that helps you create clinical notes in just minutes using smart templates. With MedXcribe, you'll save time, reduce stress, and spend more time where it truly matters, with your patients, whether it's a health record, medical history, discharge summary, or operative report using the SOAP note method. MedXcribe makes documentation fast, simple, and hassle-free. Ready to simplify note-taking? Let's get started. To begin, open the MedXcribe app, choose the template you need, and upload your audio or paste a link. Just tap Transcribe, and within minutes, MedXcribe will generate accurate clinical notes, saving you valuable time. As the audio plays, the notes scroll automatically, making it easy to follow along and make quick edits when needed. Once you're satisfied, simply save or download your notes as a PDF. Try it out and take control of your medical documentation like never before at medscribe.com.